Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Notion page aesthetic. First, let's establish a strong foundation. Begin by selecting a consistent color palette, perhaps 2 or 3 main colors, to create a cohesive visual theme. Use headings and dividers to organize your content logically, making it easy to navigate. Incorporate callout blocks for key information or to add visual interest. Finally, choose simple, readable fonts to ensure your page is both beautiful and functional. Now, let's elevate your page with engaging visual elements. Custom icons can instantly add personality and provide quick visual cues for different sections or databases. Don't hesitate to embed images, GIF, or even short videos to make your content more dynamic and less text-heavy. A well-chosen cover image sets the tone for your entire page. Consider adding useful widgets, such as a weather forecast or a clock, for an interactive touch. Moving on to more advanced techniques for a truly polished Notion page. Linked databases are incredibly powerful for connecting related information across your workspace, streamlining your workflow. Toggle lists are excellent for managing large amounts of information, allowing you to hide details until needed. Develop custom templates for pages you use frequently, ensuring consistency and saving you valuable time. Experiment with different column layouts to achieve a visually balanced and appealing design. Finally, let's talk about maintaining that beautiful aesthetic while staying productive. Make it a habit to regularly review and update your page's design, ensuring it continues to meet your needs. Always prioritize functionality. A beautiful page is only truly aesthetic if it's also highly usable. Actively remove any unnecessary elements that might contribute to clutter. Lastly, draw inspiration from the vast Notion community and explore various templates to discover new ideas.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.